Something amazing is happening in space right now. For the first time in history, 4 astronauts are flying over Earth's north and south poles and looking down at them with their own eyes. This is the SpaceX Fram2 mission, and it's a huge moment for space travel. Normally, when astronauts go to space, they circle Earth from side to side, moving west to east. That's how it's been for every human spaceflight until now. But Fram2 is totally different. It's flying straight up and down in what's called a polar orbit. That means the crew gets to see the icy, snowy tops and bottoms of our planet, the North Pole and the South Pole. No one's ever done this before. On their first day, the astronauts opened the Dragon's big window, called the Cupola. It's the largest window ever sent to space, giving them amazing 360-degree views. They snapped a photo of Antarctica, and it's stunning, just pure white. The crew includes 4 people: Chun Wang from Malta, who's the leader, Jannica Mikkelsen from Norway, Rabea Roga from Germany, and Eric Phillips from Australia. All of them have spent time in icy places on Earth, like the poles. They know what it's like on the ground, but from space, they were surprised. "Hello, Antarctica," Chun Wang wrote. "From 285 miles up, it's all white, no signs of people anywhere." SpaceX launched Fram2 on Monday, March 31st at 9:46 p.m. EDT. The Falcon 9 rocket took off, and just 10 minutes later, the crew was in orbit. Now, they're sharing awesome pictures of Earth's wildest, most remote spots. The mission is named after an old ship called Fram, which explored the Arctic and Antarctic long ago. This crew wants to live up to that name. They're doing almost 24 experiments, like growing mushrooms in space and taking x-rays of their bodies for the first time up there. They're also studying how space affects muscles and bones. Fram2 will stay in space for 2 to 4 days. When they're done, Resilience will come back to Earth and splash down in the Pacific Ocean, something new for SpaceX. They're switching to Pacific landings to keep space junk from falling on land and causing trouble. The pictures from Fram2 are incredible, and this mission is making history.